In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Whimsical into Notion. This will allow you to seamlessly integrate visual elements like diagrams, mind maps, and wireframes from Whimsical into your Notion workspace, enabling a more cohesive way to manage your projects and ideas. Let's start by setting the stage in Whimsical. First, open the board in Whimsical that you wish to embed. This could be any type of visual content you have there, such as a diagram, a mind map, or even a wireframe you've been working diligently on. Once you're looking at your board, direct your attention to the URL in the address bar at the top of your browser window. You'll want to copy this URL. It's the key to linking your Whimsical board with your Notion page. But before we leave Whimsical, ensure that the board's sharing permissions are configured correctly. It's important that anyone who needs to view your board in Notion can access it. Make any necessary adjustments to sharing settings to avoid access issues down the line. Now, let's switch gears and move over to Notion. Navigate to the page where you'd like to embed your Whimsical board. This could be within your project dashboard, planning pages, or any section that benefits from visual integration. On your chosen page in Notion, go ahead and paste that URL you previously copied. Notion is typically smart enough to recognize the URL and will present you with options to paste as preview or embed. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're unsure, embed generally gives a better visual representation directly in the page. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using commands, you can type Whimsical right onto the Notion page. This command invokes the Whimsical embed option in Notion's /commands menu, giving you another pathway to get your board integrated. If this is your first time embedding a Whimsical board into Notion, you might see a prompt asking you to authorize the integration. This is a necessary step to allow Notion access to your Whimsical workspace, effectively granting permission for these tools to work hand in hand. Simply follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. Rest assured, this is a one-time setup. Once you've authorized Notion to access your Whimsical workspace, embedding future boards from that same workspace should be smoother and more direct. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your Whimsical board into Notion. This method not only helps centralize your workflow, but also enhances it by combining the powerful visualization tools of Whimsical with the robust organizational features of Notion. Happy organizing, and I hope this integration elevates your productivity just as it has for many others.